What's up, people? Live and direct here from Valladolid, Yucatan. We are at the Cenote SAKI, which means white, it's not eagle, white something, gavilan. Cenote SAKI. Wow, nice. Valladolid, Yucatan, Mexico. Alright, so we are ready. The Cenote SAKI. Alright. You can see people already there enjoying the fresh waters of the Cenote. Come to visit when you come to Valladolid. It's the first time I'm here. It's my first time in a Cenote ever. So this is a very special moment for me. So here I come to enjoy it. Enjoy the Cenote for the very first time ever. Let's do this. Alright. Let's do this. See the people with life jackets, safety lines. Nice, beautiful cenote. Yeah, this is the one I want to come check it out. Look at this millennial creation of the Most High. When you're walking down here at this point, be careful. It's a little slippery. It's a little, humid. So watch your step. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. Cuidado, está resbaloso. You have a good tennis with tracking. Bring him. There you go! Woohoo! You did it! Oh, okay. She did jump. Alright, well, we came the wrong way. We came like, but that's okay. Let's go full circle. So we're about to go back up because I guess we need to go to that entrance over there, but it's nice because it's like a little tour. So right here you got this little platform where you can just chill. Might having a barbecue right here. So we gotta go back, but it's nice so we can kind of like the surroundings. So the cenote, little boy's gonna jump. Look at that. Little boy's about to jump. And he did it. Bravo. All right, so this is the side I wanted to come through. This is like a 105-degree temperature. This side is less slippery, I guess. If you want to come, don't risk falling on your ass. Apúrate! Right here, we make it to the little entrance that I wanted to come, and yes, sir, we are officially in the SACI Cenote, and I think we need to jump on this. Oh no, we can get there. Nice. Alright. Alright, people. So we made it down here. The wife is somewhere over there. I'm about to see in a minute. I'm about to get into this water. Cenote SAKI. Sweat already, workout going up and down. And yeah, come and visit Cenote SAKI, Valladolid Yucatan, Yucatan Peninsula. See you in a minute. Taking video. You can get screenshots. Say hi. Alright, so we are here at the Cenote SAKI. Everybody having a good time. Pretty slippery though. When you come, be careful because people be almost falling here, including myself. Alright, nice.
See, look at the girls, their legs are already kicking. See? Yeah.
We got in the water. We got wet. I lost my sunglasses. It was a little gift from me to the cenote. Así es. Let's go. Time to go eat. Water shoes. Or some tennis shoes that you don't mind wearing. And that's it. Because the wifey, after getting in the Cenote SAKI. First time ever in a cenote. Hey, go on for you. What? How this came to be, huh? like freaking nature. Nature is the best architect, the best designer. Until next time, Cenote SAKI. And we out. Woo. Back to the heat. Amen.